Hey, I'm Asia, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this Y2K inspired crop top. So if you want to learn how to do that, then just keep on watching. So to make this Y2K inspired top, I grabbed a tank top from my closet and I placed it on the fabric and then just cut out that shape. Now, if you're wanting to make the shirt as well, I would recommend folding the shirt in half and then cutting out the shape that way. And I cut out that shape 4 times. So once all 4 pieces of my fabric were cut out, I paired them together, 2 on one side and 2 on the other, and then I just sewed around the perimeter of the shape, leaving a small gap so that I could flip the fabric right side out. So this is what the fabric should look like when it's turned right side out. So the next thing that I'm gonna do is add my grommets. I think that's what they're called. So in this clip, I'm just marking where I'm gonna place my grommets, just making sure that everything is nice and even. And I believe for this shirt, I added 5 grommets. We'll see you in the next clip. Okay, yeah, so it was 5 grommets. So the next thing that I'm gonna do is make a casing for the chain strap. And to do that, I just sewed all 4 straps down about 1 inch or so, and then I sewed them into place. So of course you're gonna need 2 chains for this, and I personally use 2 necklaces that I don't ever wear. So one necklace I fed through the casing on the right side, and then I secured it with the clasp, and then I did the same thing to the left side. So the next thing that I did was add elastic to both sides of the shirt. And as far as the length of the elastic that I used, I just measured my waist and cut out the elastic to that measurement. You can make it shorter than that, but that's just the measurement that I used. And then I just fed the elastic in and out of the grommets that I used. And then I just secured it with this little device that I don't know what it's called. And this is the final product. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I will see you in my next video. HICAP.